Good morning, everyone. Hi, I'm Gaurav, and I represent Film Booth, a short film organization. And today I'm here to talk about something very interesting. And let's have a look at the topic of my presentation. Yeah, so my topic is I love the F word. While I was driving to the place, I realized that what F word would I love? I understand it's a Friday, and I'm the first speaker today to talk about something very interesting. And being the first speaker on a Friday at Faridabad, and that's why I love the F word. Moving on. So I would like to welcome each one of you out here, and I feel that each one of us out here is a dreamer, is a storyteller, and I want to welcome you. Right. Before I start my presentation, I would also like to thank all the faculty members, because I feel that they are the ones who inspire us to really do something and build our future. And that's how we get our inspirations from. Right. So just to give you an idea of what TED is technology, entertainment and design. And why I am speaking for films here, if you look at all the three elements and you mash up and add them, then they basically make something which is called a film. You use design to entertain using technology. And that's why I'm here to talk about short films. And to give you a rough idea of what a short film is, it's anything and everything between 0 seconds to less than a feature film. Right. So just to give you a rough introduction of what a short film is. Wikipedia says that a short film is anything which is less than a feature film, which means it's a very ambiguous definition, and everything what lies less than 75 minutes is a short film. Right. Moving on. Right. So moving on, the word first, which also starts with F, is a very interesting word. Each one of us would have always remembered our first experiences. Whether it's our first college, first day of the school, anything which happens for the first time. Right. So moving on, I would like to thank the faculty. It doesn't happen every day that you get to see films in your college with the permission of your teachers. So I would call it a first day, first show for all of you. Right. Right. I hope you have enjoyed the film, and I think it was a very fun-based movie. Another F, adding to the whole lot of F series words. Yeah, movie. Right. So what is my idea? I'm saying films are short, but ideas are big, and all these short films might be very small in duration, but they carry big ideas, and that's why we are here to understand these films and spread messages using these films. Right. Yeah, so the main thing, each one of us out here is a filmmaker, and that's what I'm here for. I give you the secret to the filmmaking game, and let's have a look at the cheat code, right? And along with it, I think you really get famous, and you'll get the fame. Filmmaking also gives you a lot of freedom to express yourself and use a lot of tools, and do a mashup and create interesting artworks around it. Right? Have a look at Creative Commons, Google it. It's basically how you can use already existing material without taking permissions again. It's classified legal tagging for artworks, and you can use it to basically share knowledge and creativity in the world.
Choose things or desire things, or things will really happen on its own by destiny. And I'm unable to choose any one of the sides, and that's why I really want to pose questions and tell you what it really is about. But I think it is up to each one of us to see and feel and take your own call. So I will show you another 3-minute short film. It's being made by an international filmmaker of Indian origin, and the film is about how a person's desire gives him something which really changes his destiny, and it beautifully shows that. So let's have that film, and I hope you like the film. Right, so I just wanted to introduce how short films are and how they can really talk about an idea or a message. Let's move on. Right, so I think everybody, I'm hoping that everybody is having some fun because I'm doing films in college and you are getting to see all the films. Right. But why I'm here is I feel that similar to TED, which says spreading ideas, films are also, ideas, and you can spread a lot of ideas through the films. And I want to talk about short films specifically. We've seen a lot of short films on a lot of issues, and as I said, they are beautiful pieces of art. But today I will also take you further and give you some secrets of the trade, and let's see how it works. Right. So I see each one of you as a filmmaker, and I'll tell you how you can be a filmmaker and make your own film. Today, tomorrow, and thereafter. And maybe you will get famous also, and one day you will give credit or you will thank you got the secrets of the film making circle, right? And obviously, filmmaking gives you a lot of freedom, so you have a lot of freedom to do a lot of things. Right. So I want to start with this one image, Creative Commons. Good that some of you would know about it, but those who don't know, basically it's legal license too. And you can have a lot of stuff online and you can use it for your own art pieces, whether it's music, pictures, videos, everything. Right, so as the definition says, let's go back. Yeah, so basically Creative Commons helps you share knowledge and creativity in the world, similar to what TED and Right, so here is the cheat code for making your own short film. And doing it in zero budget without any extra money being spent, right? So where does it all start from? It starts from the idea or the story. I think each one of us have a story to tell, have an idea, and we are really looking for a medium to tell that idea, right? So the idea is very important because your entire story would be around your idea. Camera. Each one of us have a cell phone, right? So we can use our camera, though the quality would not be that big, but yes, you can use it. You can also use your digital camera, SLRs. And the thing what has happened is that filmmaking was restricted to the elite till 5 years back. But now with the digital revolution and all these technology, accessibility, we are getting access to all camera equipment at cheap prices, right? So what you do, you pick an idea, you choose your camera. Where do you get your actors from? Your friends, your family members, they'll be happy to, work in your film. They would be looking out for roles, so if you really convince them, they will work in your film and you can get free actors. Next thing, location. We are all blessed with beautiful places, landscapes, and you can really use a lot of locations in Delhi, Faridabad, around the city. You can use basic software available on all computers, and you can really make your own short film. Try and test with a 30-second film or a 1-minute film, and that's how you learn and you keep on learning through the process. Music, you have all the music available through Creative Commons, through Vimeo Music Store, and you have all the software to edit, master, do whatever you want with the music. Audience. I think audience is very important because once you've made your film, how do you show it to a large number of people, right? So you start with YouTube and Facebook, and then you basically, go on to multiple platforms, right? So what I'm trying to tell you is that pick your idea and say it with a film, right? So as all of us know out there, right? Facebook is a 1 billion plus user network. So put your film on Facebook, you will see a lot of results, and you will also hear more about Facebook in today's series of presentations, right? And just want to point on social media, how social media is giving each one of us the chance to put our creative elements, to put our artistic artworks out in the market, and you get space for unique ideas and a lot of other things. I want to show a film before ending, and it's a 1-minute film. It is my favorite film, and it was one of the first films which I had curated for a festival. to the next slide. Right, so it's my favorite film, and right. No, take the film, jump. I know it's slightly dark, but the message is so big that a lot of people have asked for a film because it really helps them to show it to students. Right, next slide. So, you know, when I was driving here, I just realized that I had already prepared my talk on I love the F word. But while I was coming, I realized there are so many coincidences and why are these F's coming into my life right here? And just to inform everyone, I was Googling. I realized that you know, the university has been made you know, to give homage to a great freedom fighter, and here comes another F, and I was delighted to know that, and I pay my own tribute to the great freedom fighter as well. And the only message I want to say is find your idea, use the tools, and make your own film, right? And just to give you what I'm doing right now, I'm trying to build a crowd-funded short film festival on Spoof. You can check out the details. Till then, make your own short film and goodbye. Thank you.